Hey first graders, we're back with some math, okay? And today we're going to talk about tally marks, all right? So let's get started. I bet you guys are an old hat whiz at this. All right, so tally marks are marks we make to keep track of where we are. Maybe you do it for points when you're playing a game, okay? Or to keep track of how many of something you've. Tally marks go in sets of 5. So when we count them, we can count by 5s. All right, so let's see. These are how we make tally marks. They are just straight lines down most of the time. Okay, so if I'm going to make 5 tally marks, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. Okay, so my fifth mark, every fifth mark goes across the other 4. Okay, so if I want to add 5 more to it, here I did 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5, 6, 7, 9, tally up 10, because I'm at a multiple of 5. Okay, now what if I don't end at a multiple of 5? Maybe we only go to 12. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up 10, 11, 12, and we just stop. Okay, so let's try again. Now remember, those tally ups go with the multiples of 5. So if we were counting by 5s, every time we get to a number that we would count by 5s on, is when we tally up, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Okay? So let's try and do tally marks for 18. Okay? Try it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good, first graders. Okay, I want you to try one, and then I will show you the answer. Can you try to tally up for 9? I'll give you a couple seconds while you think about it, and you try it. Remember, do a tally up on your multiples of 5. Every time you're at a number, you count by 5. All right, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tally up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Did yours look like this, first graders? Great job. Remember, we have the same amount of marks or lines as the number we're trying to write. Let's try one more. Let's try a bigger one. Let's try 21. Okay? Go ahead. Get started. You try it, and then I will show you. If you get stuck, just stop and wait for me. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tally up 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tally up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Tally up 20, 21. Very good, first graders. All right, I said that was the last one of those, but now I'm going to put some tally marks, and we're going to practice counting some tally marks. All right, let's figure out how much this is. This is how we count these. So we know that we tally up at 5s, so we can count anytime we see a set like this with 4 and a tally up across it. Okay, so let's count by 5s for those. 5, 10, 15. I can't count by fives on this because I don't have 4 with a tally up across. So I was at 5, 10, 15. Now I count by ones. 16, 17. Very good. So this is tally mark 14. Let's try another. Okay, guys, are you ready? What do we count these by? Yes, fives. 5, 10. And we count these by? Yes, ones. 11, 12, 13. So this is tally marks for 13. Great job. Okay, first graders, practice this at home this weekend. Maybe you can play a game of cards or a different game that you keep score on and use tally marks to keep score. You keep score this time instead of your parents, all right? Hey, have a good weekend. We'll see you later.